The Lean Startup methodology, pioneered by Eric Ries, revolutionized how new ventures approach business development. Unlike traditional models, Lean Startup emphasizes rapid iteration, customer feedback, and a scientific approach to decision making. This methodology is particularly relevant in today's fast paced, technology driven world, where the ability to adapt quickly can mean the difference between success and failure. In this presentation, we will explore the core principles of Lean Startup, its benefits, and how it integrates with agile strategies to foster innovation and growth. The Lean Startup methodology emerged from the tech industry in Silicon Valley, where rapid innovation and high failure rates demanded a new approach to business development. Eric Ries, a Silicon Valley entrepreneur, coined the term in his 2011 book, The Lean Startup. Ries drew inspiration from lean manufacturing principles, particularly those pioneered by Toyota, which focused on minimizing waste and maximizing value. By applying these principles to startups, Ries created a framework that helps new ventures navigate uncertainty and build sustainable businesses. Lean Startup is built on three core principles: build, measure, learn, validated learning, and innovation accounting. The build, measure, learn cycle emphasizes creating a minimum viable product, MVP, measuring its performance, and learning from the results to iterate quickly. Validated learning involves testing hypotheses with real customers to gather actionable insights. Innovation accounting focuses on measuring progress through meaningful metrics rather than vanity metrics. Together, these principles create a feedback loop that drives continuous improvement and innovation. The build, measure, learn cycle is the heart of the Lean Startup methodology. It begins with building a minimum viable product, MVP, the simplest version of a product that can be released to customers. The next step is to measure how the MVP performs in the market, using metrics that provide insights into customer behavior and preferences. Finally, the learn phase involves analyzing the data collected to make informed decisions about the next iteration of the product. This cycle repeats, allowing startups to quickly adapt and improve their offerings. A minimum viable product, MVP, is a key concept in Lean Startup. It represents the most basic version of a product that can be released to customers to test a business hypothesis. The goal of an MVP is to validate assumptions with minimal resources and time. By focusing on core features, startups can gather valuable feedback from early adopters and make data-driven decisions about future development. This approach reduces the risk of investing heavily in unproven ideas and allows for rapid iteration based on real-world insights. Validated learning is a process of testing hypotheses and assumptions with real customers to gather actionable insights. In the Lean Startup methodology, this involves creating experiments to validate or invalidate business ideas. For example, a startup might launch a landing page to gauge interest in a new product before investing in full-scale development. By measuring customer responses and behaviors, startups can learn what works and what doesn't, allowing them to pivot or persevere based on evidence. This approach ensures that decisions are grounded in reality rather than assumptions. Innovation accounting is a framework for measuring progress in a lean startup. Traditional accounting metrics, such as revenue and profit, may not be relevant for early-stage startups. Instead, innovation accounting focuses on metrics that reflect learning and growth, such as customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, and churn rate. These metrics provide a more accurate picture of a startup's health and potential. By tracking these indicators, startups can make informed decisions about where to allocate resources and how to improve their business model. One of the most critical decisions in the Lean Startup methodology is whether to pivot or persevere. A pivot involves making a significant change to the business model or product based on validated learning. This could mean targeting a different customer segment, changing the product's features, or even pursuing a new market altogether. Persevering, on the other hand, means continuing with the current strategy because the data supports its potential for success. The decision to pivot or persevere is guided by the insights gained from the build, measure, learn cycle and innovation accounting. Lean Startup and Agile strategy share many similarities, making them a powerful combination for startups. Both methodologies emphasize iterative development, customer feedback, and flexibility. Agile strategy, often associated with software development, involves breaking projects into small, manageable tasks and continuously improving through short development cycles called sprints. When combined with lean startup, Agile strategy helps startups quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. This synergy fosters a culture of innovation and responsiveness, enabling startups to thrive in dynamic environments. The customer development process is a key component of the lean startup methodology. It involves 4 steps: customer discovery, customer validation, customer creation, and company building. Customer discovery focuses on understanding the problem and identifying potential customers. Customer validation tests the business model by engaging with early adopters. Customer creation involves scaling the business by acquiring more customers. Finally, company building establishes the organizational structure and processes needed for sustainable growth. This process ensures that startups build products that meet real customer needs and have a viable market. Implementing lean startup in practice involves embracing a culture of experimentation and learning. Startups must be willing to test assumptions, gather feedback, and iterate quickly. This requires a mindset shift from traditional business practices, where failure is often seen as a setback. In lean startup, failure is viewed as an opportunity to learn and improve. Successful implementation also involves cross-functional collaboration, where teams work together to build, measure, and learn. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, startups can navigate uncertainty and build sustainable businesses. Dropbox is a prime example of a startup that successfully implemented lean startup principles. In its early days, Dropbox faced skepticism about whether people would trust an online service to store their files. Instead of building a full product, the founders created a simple video demonstrating the concept. This MVP allowed them to gauge interest and gather feedback without significant investment. The positive response validated their hypothesis, leading to further development and eventual success. Dropbox's journey illustrates the power of lean startup in reducing risk and accelerating growth. Zappos, the online shoe retailer, also leveraged lean startup principles to achieve success. Founder Nick Swinmurn started by testing the hypothesis that people would buy shoes online. Instead of building a full e-commerce platform, he took photos of shoes from local stores and listed them online. When customers placed orders, he bought the shoes and shipped them. This MVP approach validated the demand for online shoe shopping and provided valuable insights into customer preferences. Zappos' success story highlights the importance of testing assumptions and iterating based on real-world feedback. While lean startup offers many benefits, it also comes with challenges and potential pitfalls. One common challenge is balancing speed with quality. Rapid iteration can sometimes lead to cutting corners, resulting in subpar products. Another pitfall is misinterpreting data, which can lead to incorrect decisions. Startups must ensure they are measuring the right metrics and analyzing data accurately. Additionally, the lean startup approach requires a cultural shift, which can be difficult for teams accustomed to traditional methods. Overcoming these challenges involves maintaining a focus on learning and continuous improvement. Coaching plays a crucial role in the successful implementation of lean startup principles. Coaches can help startups navigate the challenges of rapid iteration, validated learning, and innovation accounting. They provide guidance on setting up effective experiments, interpreting data, and making informed decisions. Coaches also support the cultural shift needed for lean startup, fostering a mindset of experimentation and learning. By working with coaches, startups can enhance their ability to adapt, innovate, and grow. Coaching ensures that lean startup principles are applied effectively, maximizing their impact on business success. While lean startup is often associated with small startups, its principles can also be applied in large organizations. Established companies can use lean startup to foster innovation and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. This involves creating small, cross-functional teams that operate like startups within the larger organization. These teams can experiment with new ideas, gather customer feedback, and iterate quickly. By adopting lean startup principles, large organizations can reduce the risk of innovation and respond more effectively to market changes. This approach helps them maintain agility and drive growth. The lean startup methodology aligns closely with an agile mindset, which emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Both approaches value customer feedback and iterative development, making them complementary. An agile mindset involves embracing change, learning from failure, and prioritizing customer needs. By adopting an agile mindset, startups can effectively implement lean startup principles and navigate uncertainty. This mindset fosters a culture of innovation where teams are empowered to experiment, learn, and adapt. The synergy between lean startup and an agile mindset drives sustainable growth and success. The future of lean startup looks promising as more organizations recognize the value of rapid iteration, customer feedback, and validated learning. As technology continues to evolve, the ability to adapt quickly will become even more critical. Lean startup principles will likely be integrated with emerging trends such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. These technologies can enhance the ability to gather insights, test hypotheses, and make data-driven decisions. The lean startup methodology will continue to evolve, helping startups and established companies alike navigate the complexities of the modern business landscape. The lean startup methodology offers a powerful framework for navigating the uncertainties of business development. By emphasizing rapid iteration, customer feedback, and validated learning, lean startup helps startups build sustainable businesses. The principles of build, measure, learn, MVP, and innovation accounting create a feedback loop that drives continuous improvement. While challenges exist, the benefits of lean startup are significant, enabling startups to reduce risk, accelerate growth, and foster innovation. By embracing lean startup, entrepreneurs can turn their ideas into successful ventures and thrive in a dynamic market. The journey of lean startup is one of learning, adaptation, and relentless pursuit of excellence.